Alright guys, I accidentally hit the stop button, so to stop recording. So anyways, I got the power off. I got the screen hooked up. I'm gonna get this propped open. I'm not gonna take the whole thing out completely, but anyways, let me measure the temperature again. Oh, let me put it to Celsius. Turn the laser and the light on. Now starting off, this one's reading about 100 and let's see. $119 on this area. This one's reading about 124 degrees. Oh, yeah. What up? This one's reading about 114. Oh yeah, 127. Look at that. Alright, so I think this part, I think this is the hottest part right here. Yep, 128. So let me go ahead and show you how you can fix it. So, this thermal sensor, if I can show you, I have to watch this wire because I don't want, let me reconnect this. So this wire, this is your thermal sensor for your display port right here. So, from the factory, they put this right here, but like, it's because I think this area is just the hottest part, but that's not true. So, anyways, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So, to do that, with the power disconnected, I'm going to go ahead and then, remove this little thing right there. Oh, it's kind of hard to do with the camera. It's very hot, so I have to be more careful. And then, I'm going to remove this piece right here. What up?
Nothing. What up with you?
Not much. I'm making a video to show how you can fix the overheating machine.
Awesome. Sounds great.
Alright. And I'm going to take this off. It's thermal sensor right here for your display port. If I can do this, let me use my screwdriver. It's kind of hard to do it because, you know, they have this glued on here to keep it more accurate. So let me take this off, and then look at that. This comes right off. I probably have to put some glue somewhere. So, alright, so this is the thermal sensor right here. Basically, what that actually does is it measures the temperature for your display. So and that logic board thinks whatever, when a display gets really hot, the fan will increase speed to keep your display more cool. So let me go ahead and unplug that real quick, and then I'm going to reposition that thermistor right to where the hot part gets. Let's see, we'll make sure it's about, right now it's about like 103. It's because the power is off. So I'm gonna stop the video and then you know, replay my video and see which part gets the most hot. So give me a moment then.